The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is an anticipated flagship smartphone expected to be announced in mid-2025. This device is rumored to feature a 6.8-inch display with a resolution of 2844 by 1280 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering a high screen-to-body ratio of 91.35%. Under the hood, it may be powered by Huawei's Kirin 9020 processor, coupled with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The Pura 80 Ultra is also expected to boast a robust 5,200 mAh battery, supporting fast wired charging at 100W and wireless charging at 80W. In terms of photography, the smartphone could sport a triple camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor with sensor shift OIS, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40MP ultra-wide lens. Notably, Huawei is reportedly developing its own optical sensors for this model, aiming to enhance the imaging experience. The device is anticipated to run on Harmony OS with EMUI UI. While the Pura 80 Ultra is generating significant interest, specific details about its availability in the USA remain unconfirmed.